Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to showcase your design like a pro? In this video, I will show you how to create a digital mockup using Canva, 100% free, perfect for Etsy, print, print on demand, or social media. First of all, head to canva.com and sign into your account or create a new free account. Now, click the plus icon or create a design option from your dashboard. Choose the custom size from the drop down. Then enter size like 1080 into 1080 pixel. Then click create new design for square, posts, or your preferred size. In the search bar, type mockups to find templates if needed. Even with a free Canva account, you will find a variety of mockups like t-shirts, mugs, frames, phones, laptops, and more. Go back to, or you can search from here like mockup and choose one from here and drag onto your canvas. Click on uploads and drag in your own design. PNG format with a transparent background looks best, especially for product mockups. Resize and position your design over the object like a t-shirt, mug, or screen. Use Canvas transparency or positioning tools to make it look realistic. Make it pop with backgrounds or shadows. Go to Elements and search for subtle shadows or photo backgrounds to enhance realism. You can add your logo, store name, or on sale. Next, if you are creating a mockup for Etsy or social media, just you can change the name from here. Just click on it and enter your name. Then select all and change the font size. Then resize the text. You can add new text from the text tab. Click on it and click add a text and follow the process. You can add your logo, just click on it and upload your photo logo from your computer. Then drag onto your canvas. Then resize the logo. That's it. Then change your brand name like game. Here add your logo again. Drag onto your canvas. And adjust the size and place it to and zoom in and resize and reposition the logo. Then enter your brand name again here. So cool. Now you can add your contact information like phone number, address, and email address. When it's ready, click share. from the right side button, the bar, then click download and save it as a PNG format or JPEG. You can now use it for product listings, marketing, or even client reviews. Now go back to Canva home, Canva's homepage, go to tools and then smart mockups. Upload your image and instantly place it on a realistic object like a t-shirt, phone, laptop, etc. Want to show off a full collection? Use Canvas grid templates or frames to combine 2 to 4 mockups into one image. Alright, you're happy with your design. Just download it from your Canva. From Elements tab, you can add some shape for looking good. And duplicate the shape and reposition the shape. You can add square shape and drag onto your canvas pad. So that's it. You have just created a stunning digital mockup for free using Canva. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with mockup ideas. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay creating, stay safe, and follow for more. Try use Canva Pro for more options. Just click Try Pro for 30 days or choose a plan, and that's it.